My name is Mickey and I'm going to attempt to learn how to play the guitar. Hopefully you'll come along with me. As I said in the previous video, I haven't got a clue about music theory, and that includes this stuff. Music notation. Luckily for us, guitars and other types of stringed instruments have their own methods of written music. That's called tablature, or tab for short. In this video we'll be having a quick look at basic tab. Tab consists of lines representing the instrument's strings, 6 in the case of the guitar. The numbers on the lines represent the fret you should place your finger behind. If a line doesn't have a number, that shows that the string shouldn't be played. And if the number is 0, that means play the string in an open position. Just to show what I mean, here's a diagram, I think up there, of the notes from the first chord we looked at, A minor, in tab form. These notes will be played like this. As you're saying, unlike a chord, the notes are played individually unless they're written on the same vertical plane, like this. And in which case, play like an ordinary strum chord. So, that was just a quick basic introduction to tab. If you have any questions, just put them in the comment section. Hope you liked the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Michelle and Natalie,